So today we will apply for Canada visit visa. This is directly we will apply from the Canadian official website. Here we don't need any agent. So directly I will show you that how you can apply yourself for Canada visa. So this is the link I will share you in the description. So just hit that link, so directly you will reach in that page. So here we will see how to apply online with the IRCC portal. So guys, for Canada visa there is two type of portal is there. So this is the direct portal for Canada. One is also people are applying from a GC key. So GC key, there is too much complication is there and very lengthy process. From here very easily and very few minutes we can apply for Canada visa. So we'll see how we can get it. So guys, this is the create an account. Number one, we will have to create one account. So I will show you how you can create. Number second, complete the online form and upload the documents. That one also we will see. Then number last, we will see this pay with credit cards. So guys, here we will see. So we will have to create sign up and apply. So there are some few questions they will ask. What would you like to do today? Apply for a visitor visa myself, or apply for a visitor visa on behalf of someone. So here we are applying ourselves. So I will click here. Do you already have an application in process? So right now I don't have any application, so select no. Okay, you will collect within. So guys, this is the one. See, you can see this 14 to 30 business day you will get your visa approval or refusal. So get an IRCC portal account. So here you will have to register our email ID. Confirm your email ID. Then get the invitation code. You can copy the code, then continue to IRCC portal. So here we will have to put that code, then our email ID we will have to put. Then we will have to select our password. Then you have to select your name. Then select the telephone number, Canada or other state, dial code. So dial code is 971. Then telephone number is 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, we will do for sign up. A verification code has been sent to your email address. So you will receive one code on your email. So just you have to check it out. See, we receive. So confirmation of your email address IRCC portal. To complete this information, please enter this code. We will copy from here. We will enter our code here. Then confirm. So now email has been verified. Please sign in again. So from here we will have to sign in. Then password. So this is a term and condition you will have to accept. So here they are asking if you have a GC key account. So of course we don't have. We are applying from IRCC portal. So here they will ask what you want to go. Okay, start an application, apply for a visitor visa, transit visa or study visa. So we are going to apply this one. So get ready to apply visit visa or study visa in Canada. Make sure you are eligible for before you apply. So have these items ready with you. Credit card will be required. Check before you start your application. So follow these steps. So these are all the steps. You will have to read it out carefully, or just you can follow up my email, so you will get it. Do you want to apply for more than one person at the same time? So guys, if you are applying for your friends, families or your family members, so from here you will have to select. So automatically it will create different options for you. So no, right now I apply for myself only. Save and continue. So I want to apply for here you can read it out: study visa, transit visa, Canadian UK visa. So we are applying for visit visa right now. Why do you need a visitor visa? So you can have to read all these things why you need this visa. So from here we will select. So I am selecting as a tourist. So if you have any like your relatives or someone, accordingly from the list you can select it out. So right now I am selecting Canada visit visa for a tourist. Tell us more about what you will do in the Canada. So I am traveling for tourism. Okay. When you will enter the Canada, so from here if you have any plan you can select it out. So suppose I am selecting the random date I am putting when you will leave the Canada. So I am selecting suppose July or 15, for 15 days I am selecting. Okay, unique, if you have any code, unique client identifier. So UCI we don't need anything. Save and continue. Okay, document you need to complete the application: a valid passport you will require. You must have at least one free page where the visa will be strict. Information you need to enter: personal details. So all this information will be required to apply. So continue to the application. Here representative, are you applying on behalf of someone? So if you are applying on behalf of someone, so you from here you will have to select. If you are preparing an application for someone else, you are the representative. So no, I am not applying for someone, I am applying for myself. If you are applying for for your family member, so you can select yes. Travel document information is required: surname Ali, date of birth. So here I am selecting both randomly, so you can select accordingly as per your passport. First, so gender is male. So save, continue. Okay, what document are you traveling? Okay, passport I have a regular passport. Select the country code that match your best passport. So I am from Pakistan. As per you can select countries as you are in the country. Okay, what is the nationality your passport showing? So of course Pakistan. What's your passport or travel document number? So you can select any number what you document have. What's your passport number? You can sit down here, write down here. Confirm your passport travel document number: AS 133456. So I am putting randomly. So you will have to accordingly as per passport you will have to put all this date of issue of your passport, when your passport was issued. So suppose I am writing any. So I am selecting guys randomly. So you will have to select accordingly as per your passport. So date of your expire of the passport. Okay, 14. Select the month December. So it is expiring suppose on 2032. Okay, are you a lawful permanent resident of the United States? No, I am not the permanent resident. Have you held a Canadian visa in the past 10 years? No, I didn't held. Do you currently hold a valid US visa? No, I don't have. Are you traveling to Canada by air? Of course, by air. Save and continue. So country of territory where you were born. So from where you born? So I born in Pakistan. I'm selecting Pakistan. City of town where you were born. So I born in Karachi. So are you a citizen for more than one country of your territory? No, I'm not the citizen. Which country of territory you are a citizen of? I'm citizen of Pakistan. I am a citizen of this country or territory since birth. Yes. Okay. Save and continue. Do you have a valid national identity document? Yes, I do have. Document number I will have to put. Confirm your document number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 4 3. Here you have to select date of issue, when it was issued. 2022 January, day 1st. Select the country of territory of your document issued. So it's from Pakistan. Save and continue. Have you used another name in the past? No, I didn't use. Save and continue. Country of territory of residence. So here this is the one where you are living right now. Select the country of territory you are living. So right now I am in United States. So I am selecting United States. This is business way. Suppose I am selecting. If your mail address are same as yes, same. Country of territory of residence. So if you leave any other countries, list of the country of territory of resident, then add more countries. If you leave like more countries within past 5 years, so you will have to mention here. So I'm okay. Select a country of territory. So I am living in UAE, United States, United Arab Emirates. So what is your status in the territories? I am of course I am for working. So I am a worker here. From where? Since when? So 2014 I came here. So January 2014 I came here. This is where I currently living. So you will have to select yes. From where? Okay. Okay, till now 2023. So you will have to select the current date, Feb. So today is 21st. Okay, we'll have to save. So it will automatically come here. If you have any other countries also where you live as a resident, so you will have to put here. So save and continue. So this is the one, biometric fingerprint and photo of the application. So do you already have a fingerprint biometric? So if you have already applied before, so you don't need that biometric. So of course you are the fresher, we are the fresher, so we will have to select give your biometric. No, we didn't give. Okay, you will be required to submit your biometric after you pay. So after the payment you will receive that details. So save and continue. How many money do you have for your stay in the Canada? So here you will have to mention how much money you are keeping. So suppose I am putting 5,000 Canadian dollar. So if someone else giving you the money for your stay, no one is giving, it's my own money. So post-secondary education history, they will ask, have you ever studied at post-secondary school, university, college? You don't need to have a complete. You don't need to have completed a degree or diploma. Have you ever studied at a post-secondary? Yes, I have already. So I am selecting it. So name of the school, of course, Karachi University. Karachi University. Okay, from suppose I studied in 2000 from 2000 month, suppose November. Okay, Where till what time? 2021, 2022 October. Okay, level of study, this is I have done bachelor degree. Field of studies, like anyone, whatever field you have, you can select, like architecture or someone. I'm selecting randomly. Select the country of the territory where you done is Pakistan. Street address. Road, city, Karachi. Then you will have to save this one, so it will automatically come here. If you have more education, you can add here accordingly. So work activities history, did you serve in the military? No, I didn't serve for the military. Give details of all the employees and active for last 5 years. So here you will have to give complete detail of your work history. So suppose from 2014, okay, March, okay, this one is ongoing. Work activities, anyone you can select according to your job. Whatever job you have, that one you will have to select ABC. Whatever the company name is there, what is the duties you have performed. Then address, this is in United States, this way. Okay, that one you can save here. Then you will have to edit here, and more you can add as much as you want. Okay, from here you can add whatever companies you have worked for, you can add here. As much as you will add, your profile will be strong. Post secondary education, okay. Delete, save and continue. You must complete this entire session to be able to save your details. So maybe I think I missed something. So here we will add some more experience here. Okay, 2014, 2012, month February, year 2014, month December. Work activities, natural applied, government position, business, finance, occupation. Copy, any copy you can, ABCD, main duties, whatever you have. Dubai, United Arab Emirates, anyone you can put down here, and save and continue. So travel history, during the past 5 years, have you traveled to a country or territory? So here you will have to show your details. Yes. Tell us more about your country where you traveled. So from where you will have to select when you traveled. Suppose like 2016, I have traveled to from here 2016, Feb, March. Country where you traveled, suppose United States of America. Anywhere you traveled, you have to write down whatever the purpose, what was the purpose of your travel. Tourism, add. So as much as you want, you can fill it out here. Okay, travel history, continue. Have you ever studied in Canada? No, I didn't study. Have you ever been refused a visa or permanent denied entry from the country? Leave any country of the world? No, I didn't. Save and continue. Okay, criminality and security. Have you ever committed a crime? No. So this one is mostly will come no. So I already read it already. I know that what is the question. So you can read it out if you want. So no. Save. Have you ever had a medical exam performed by IRC? So no, I didn't. Do you want to work in one of the following jobs? No, I am not interested to work. Medical background, they will ask in the last 2 years were you diagnosed any problem? No, I didn't. Okay, in the last 5 years have you been in close contact with the person of the tuberculosis? No, I didn't. Medical background, okay, are you currently receiving the diagnosed treatment? No, I am not receiving. So these one all, I think it will come for medical and all these things. You have ever diagnosed? No. So mostly will come no. Marital status, yes, I am married. So accordingly you will have to select the date of the marriage, when you got the marriage. Suppose 2023 I got marriage day, which is the day. Name of your spouse, ABC, whatever you have given them. What is you have? Date of birth. Okay, suppose this one is 2019 December. So these all dates I am putting randomly, you can select accordingly. Date of birth, territory, this is Pakistan. Okay, present occupation, so she is not doing anything. If you are doing anything, unemployed. Is their address the same? Yes, this is the same address. Will your spouse common law company you to the company? So they are asking that your wife is also going with you. No, she is not going with me. Save and continue. Okay, children, do you have any biological children? Yes, I do have children. So here we will have to mention the children detail, all these things we will have to mention here. Give the surname, then date of birth, everything you will have to mention for your children. If you don't have children, no need to put anything. So relationship, this is a daughter, son, or whatever you have, you will have to mention. Suppose son. Country of territory of birth, so he born in Pakistan. Does the child have the same address? Yes, same address. If the child is not in Canada, will they accompany with you to Canada? So they are asking that if child is also doing, no, he is not traveling with me. Save and continue. So tell us about your parents. They are asking for the parents also. I do not know who my parents. Okay, here you can add your parents detail also. Surname, given name, relationship. Okay, father, date of birth, 1954 December 12. Okay, country of territory of birth, where he born, Pakistan. Present occupation, what he is doing. From here you can select what he is doing. Retired. Does these parents have the same address? Yes, same address. Will this parent come with you to Canada? No, is not coming with me. Okay, here you can add more. Surname, this one. Surname, this one. Relation, mother. Date of birth, 1962. Any you can select. Country of territory of birth, of course Pakistan. Occupation, housewife. Does these parents have the same address? Yes, same address. Will these parents come to with you to Canada? No. That is done. Okay. So language of the application you want to do. So okay, I am selecting English. English. Can you communicate in English and French? English. Okay. What is the language do you want to use to contact you? Of course English. Save and continue. Email address for the application. Okay. .com. Save and continue. Okay, telephone number of the applicant you will have to add here. Telephone number. Okay, this is the cellular number. Okay, this is not in the Canada. Dialing code 9717. Continue. So summary of the application. So here you will get all the summary. So just recheck whatever you answered. So this is very important. Maybe you missed out something. So from here you can edit whatever you have missed out. If so, you just have to recheck all these things. Then after that you will have to save and continue. So document to support your application. So this is the list of the things you will receive. Okay, file size. So this is the requirement for you will have to upload. So immigration status proof, so national identity card, passport, and funds proof. So these all the requirement they are asking. This completely depend on your answers. Whatever in the application you did the answer, because sometime it's changing, because whatever you will answer accordingly it will automatically, because this is all artificial intelligence. As per your answer it will decide that what document you will have to upload. So here whatever document they are asking, you will have to upload that document. Then after that, this is the optional document also: consent, personal information, employee letter, and then additional document. So these document if you will attach, so this your profile will be more good. So after attaching this one, then you will have to submit from here. So guys, hope you like this video. So please do subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family. So the next step, the next video I will show you that how you can upload the document, and after that we will have to pay the fee, how we can pay the fee, and after that I will show you that how it will work. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.